This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Toyota Corolla hood. It's a simple two-step process that begins inside the car and finishes at the front. We'll cover finding the interior release, locating the secondary safety latch, and safely propping the hood open. Knowing these steps is essential for routine maintenance, like checking fluids or accessing the engine bay. Let's get started and make sure you can confidently open your hood whenever needed. Your journey to opening the hood begins inside the car. First, make sure your Corolla is safely parked on a flat surface. Then, open the driver's side door. Look down near the footwell, typically on the lower left side of the dashboard. You'll find a lever with a small icon of a car with its hood open. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound as the hood slightly unlatches. With the primary latch released, head to the front of your Corolla. The hood will be slightly ajar, perhaps by about 1 inch. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, usually above the Toyota emblem. You'll feel a secondary safety latch. Push this lever either to the left or upwards while simultaneously lifting the hood with your other hand. Once released, the hood will lift fully, giving you access to the engine compartment. Now that your hood is open, locate the metal support rod, usually clipped on the left side of the engine bay. Detach it and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood to keep it securely open. When you're ready to close, simply lift the hood slightly to remove the support rod, clip it back into its holder, then gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches from closing. Finally, push it down firmly to engage the latch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.